KUKI-ZO khulai paiba singa Manipur lenga kamati center lenga ki marakta chatharakpa suspension of operation SoO agreement makha tana chahi ama sangdoknaba khudyak pinakrai laiba sigi konong New Delhi da chathakiba khudyak pinabaduda agreement asana Manipur gi territorial integrity kaihandanaba Constitution of India gi framework manung channa political dialogue chathanaba wafam yauri haina ki pau gi matung in hairi Tripartite mifam aduda Central Lengak State Lengak amadi KUKI-ZO gi khwaidiki chawba lal holup ani KUKI National Organization KNO amadi United People's Front UPF ki makok thongba mihut singna saruk yakhi nakal ahumna khudyak adu hek pinabaga khudaktagi agreement ki ground rule amadi term sing adu chahi ama sangdokhi loinana revised operational norms ki makhada sensitive amadi conflict prone area da leiriba KUKI-ZO lal holup ki designated camp taret lawthokpa yauna hauzik leiriba active camp ki masing asi handhalagani hairi Camp consolidation process ki sarukama oina cadre sing asina seasonary khulai sing manak nakpada leiriba Central Reserve Police Force CRPF natraga Border Security Force BSF camp sing da Kusinana basu hairi Panbayabadi Churachandpur amadi Kangpopi hairi bachingi district ani asida KNO amadi UPF na hangliba designated camp masing asi punna taramari ni hairi camp asida punna khulai paiba kada lising aniga chani rom leibani hairi ningsing bayai original tripartite SoO agreement asi kumza lising ani nipan da KNO amadi UPF ki makhada leiriba KUKI-ZO khulai paiba kunmanga gi marakta khudyak pinakibani Kulai paiba kunmanga asigi manungda KNO gi makhada leiba kulai paiba tara taret amadi UPF ki makhada leiba kulai paiba nipan yauribani agreement asi tangkak naina sangdoktuna lakpani loinana media report ki matungina Prime Minister Narendra Modi mathang tha September da Manipur da laklaba yai hairi